Hi there, welcome to another exciting video from Heavy Mining Equipment. Today, you'll see in action what I believe to be the most valuable machine in any mine. That's right, the Bulldozer. To be specific, the Komatsu D375A-8, which alongside the Caterpillar D10, ranks as one of the most advanced bulldozers in the world. Today's task for this beauty is to push a 220-ton capacity Belaz all the way to the workshop. The truck is experiencing an issue with its rear left final drive. So let's see how this journey went. Failures in the reducers of electric haul trucks and mines can occur due to several factors. Overloading is a major contributor, as these trucks operate under extreme stress, leading to excessive wear. Operating conditions, such as rough terrain and high moisture levels, further accelerate deterioration. Additionally, sudden jolts or improper operation, like aggressive acceleration or braking, place additional strain on the drivetrain. That's why regular maintenance and proper handling are crucial to minimizing these issues. But let's watch how this journey unfolds and see how well the Bulldozer handles the challenge. It was left outside overnight because there was no space in the workshop. By the time it was its turn to enter the workshop, things had already got worse. The rear left wheel had completely locked up. Things got even worse when it came time to lower the dump bed as the Bulldozer struggled to push it. But let's see how this plays out. And now the real deal begins. The operator needs to find a way to push this 170-ton truck the last few meters. Let's see how it goes. And now the real deal begins. The operator needs to find a way to push this 170-ton truck the last few meters. Let's see how it goes. Okay, he's trying to position the blade under the wheel to raise it slightly. Very smart. And an impressive technique. But one wrong move from the operator, and this workshop could turn into a war zone. So far, so good. Way to go, guys. Thanks to their experience and excellent organization, everything went as planned. So, thumbs up for them. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. It would mean a lot to us for future projects. Until the next video, bye.